Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome back to 1 Minute Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about structural isomers of hexane. And this is also the most important question as far as your examination is concerned. Hexane is the compound which contains 6 carbon atoms and 14 hydrogen atoms. So the formula becomes C6H14. Now we are going to draw the structural isomers of this hexane. First of all, we will draw the structure, that means where 6 carbon atoms are present in straight chain or in linear chain, and we know that CH3, CH2, 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 CH2 and CH3. So this and these two are terminal carbon atoms and they are CH3 terminal carbon atoms. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are 6 carbon atoms, so it becomes hex, and there is single bond, so we add n, so it becomes hexane, or we can say it is n-hexane, that means it's a normal hexane. This is the first structural isomer of hexane. Second one, we will draw 5 carbon atoms in the main chain, CH3 CH, CH2 CH2 CH3, 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 carbon atoms in the straight chain, and at the carbon number second we will add one substituent, that is CH3. So it becomes, the numbering starts from that group, that carbon where this methyl group or the substituent get the lowest possible number. So 1 2 3 4 5. We know that the carbon number second contains the methyl group, so it becomes 2 methyl, and we know that in the main chain there are 5 carbon atoms, so it becomes pent, and the single bond is there, so n, so it is 2 methyl pentane. Now we will draw the third this structural isomer of hexane. So third structural isomer is same, CH3 CH2 CH CH2 and CH3. Now carbon number 3 contains methyl group CH3. The numbering starts from here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. We know that now the carbon number 3 contains methyl group, so it becomes 3. Then we have to write the name of the substituent, it's methyl, 3 methyl, and carbons are 5, so it's pent, and there is single bond, it's pentane, 3 methyl pentane. Now we'll draw the fourth structural isomer of this hexane. So right now CH3 CH CH3 CH CH3 CH CH3 single bond CH3. Now we know that there are 4 carbon atoms in the main chain, but the two different carbon atoms contain the same the substituent, but the substituents are present at different positions, 1 2 3 4. So we have substituent at the carbon number 2 and the substituent at the carbon number 3. So we can say it's 2 comma 3, because one substituent is present in carbon number 2 and the other substituent is present at carbon number 3. So it's 2 comma 3. Now the methyl groups are 2, so it is di, and the name is methyl, so we can say it is dimethyl, and there are 4 carbon atoms, so it becomes, word root becomes but, and single bond is there, so it becomes n, 2,3 dimethyl butane. This is also the structural isomer of hexane. Now the last possible structural isomer of hexane is, the carbon chain contains 4 C single bonds CH2 single bond CH3. The main chain contains 4 carbon atoms, but the carbon number second contains 2 methyl groups, CH3 single bond CH3. Now we know that numbering starts from here, 1 2 3 4. So the carbon number second contains 2 methyl groups, so we can say it's 2 comma 2, because both the methyl groups are present on the same carbon. So 2 comma 2, methyl groups are 2, so it is di, and the name is methyl, so it's dimethyl, and 4 carbon atoms are there, word root becomes but, and single bond is there, we add n, so it's 2 comma 2 dimethyl butane. So these are the structural isomers of hexane. I hope that this is clear to you. This is you might have comprehended this very well.